Hello everyone. In today's video, let's see how Shree Krishna defines energies in the nature. It's absolutely fascinating the way Shree Krishna talks about the material energy and the soul energy, and how he says that a combination of the two is the reason behind the creation of this universe. So in the verse number 7.4, he talks about the 8 components of his material energy. Bhūmir-āpo, nalo, vāyuḥ, khaṁ, mano, buddhir, chaahankāra, itīyaṁ, bhinnā, prakṛitir, aṣhṭadhā. He says that my material energy. So who is Shree Krishna? Shree Krishna is the Supreme Personality, the personification of God. If God is all-powerful, why he cannot take a form? And if we consider Sri Krishna to be the Supreme Personality, the God himself, what is he telling? He is saying that his material energy has 8 main components. Bhūmir-āpo, nalo, vāyuḥ, khaṁ, mano, buddhir, chaahankāra, itīyaṁ, bhinnā, prakṛitir, aṣhṭadhā. The 8 components are space, air, fire, water, earth, mind, intellect, and ego. So he says these are the 8 components of the material energy. What is material energy? Material energy is insentient. It is not moving on its own. Only when it is energized by the soul energy, by the spiritual energy, it seems to move. So in the next verse, which is 7th chapter, 5th verse, Sri Krishna says, apareyam itas tvanyāṁ prakṛitir viddhi me parāmjīva-bhūtāṁ mahā-bāho yayedaṁ dhāryate jagat. So in this verse, which is the next verse, he says, first I spoke about my material energy, and now I am talking about a superior energy, which is the soul energy, which is the Jiva Shakti. The first one is the Maya Shakti, the material energy, and the second one is the Jiva Shakti, or the soul energy. And this is a superior energy which is also mine. God is energetic, like the sun is the energetic, and the sun rays, the heat, the light which emanate from the sun are the energies. Similarly, God is the energetic Shaktiman, and he has so many different types of energy. And here he is talking about his main energies, which are the Maya Shakti, material energy, and the Jiva Shakti, which is the superior energy according to him. And then in the next verse he says, etad yonini bhūtāni sarvani tyupadhāraya aham krishnasya jagata prabhava pralayasthatha. This is so amazing to learn that Sri Krishna says a combination of the two, that the material energy and the soul energy, the combination of these two constitutes the entire universe. This is very fascinating because as a science student, we learnt about different energies which the scientists talked about. First they said the entire universe is based on the mechanical energy, the gravitational energy, as if the entire universe is acting like a giant machine. And then the concept changed. Then they said, no, the energy can be converted into different forms. And then different forms of energy were discovered by the scientists. For example, when they rotated an armature in a magnetic field, the mechanical energy was converted into electrical energy. And similarly, we came across the quantum energy, the atomic energy. And again the concepts kept changing. First they said that matter cannot be converted, but matter was also said to be transforming into energy and vice versa, and that is the theory of relativity. So different concepts and changing concepts, and still we don't have the complete clue about the source of all the energies. But here when we read Bhagavad Gita, we get to know about one single energy, one unified energy, which is the material energy, which Shree Krishna is saying that is the basis for the entire creation. And this is where we get such amazing wisdom from Bhagavad Gita, which answers all the questions which we have been struggling to figure out. How did the creation begin? And it never gets answered, but when we accept that there is the infinite power which is behind all these, and that power is the cause for all the causes, and then everything becomes so much simpler and easy to understand. And this is the topic for this video, that if we consider that God is behind the cause for all the causes, and He has three main energies which are called Jiva Shakti, the soul energy, the Maya Shakti, the material energy, and the Para Shakti, which is His personal power, that is also called Yogmaya Shakti. So these three powers are the factors for the creation. So again, to repeat, shloka number 7-4, bhūmir-āpo nalo vāyuḥ khaṁ mano buddhir chaahankāra itīyaṁ mein bhinnā prakṛitir aṣhṭadhā. Shloka number 5, apareyam itas tvanyāṁ prakriti viddhi me parāmjīva-bhūtāṁ mahā-bāho yayedaṁ dhāryate jagat. Shloka number 6, etad-yonini bhūtāni sarvani ityupadhāraya aham krishnasya jagata prabhava pralayasthatha. These three verses we should remember and say that God is the reason for the creation, which is what is depicted in all the scriptures, and He unleashes the material energy, the Maya Shakti, He unleashes the Jiva Shakti, and the combination of the two is the creation of the universe. For example, when we look at ourselves, we have the body, mind, intellect, which is the Jiva Shakti, which is the Maya Shakti. It is made up of the material energy. And we have the soul, which is the spiritual spark, which is the Jiva Shakti. And the combination of the two is the creation that we are. So this is a very amazing nugget of learning from Bhagavad Gita, and hope all of us take delight in this knowledge. Take care. See you in the next video.